I'm Larry with L&A Auto Works, and this is my chop challenge. I want to get in on this chop challenge. I've seen all these long videos, and I made one little short clip. So I figured I'd get in on it. Let's see what we got. We got the 96 S10 right here. Oh, we out here at the drag strip, running with the boys. Everybody voting me.
So, what's happening, everybody? Chris here from Test and Speed Shop. So, got the Firebird back on the ground. Here's a big picture of what it looks like. I threw the tires on so I could start it up because it's been sitting for so long. So I got the wheel lip trimmed out. Got that all cut back. So we just gotta wait for some better weather so I can throw some primer on it and do some putty work to it.
Okay, I'm gonna start my 1916 Model T Ford. Gonna give it a little bit of gas, a little bit of timing, and reach down here and turn the key on. Then I go out front, grab the crank, start it up, and add timing. Now I have a little more throttle. Right? Easy as that, right?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Todd here. Had an update on the little Scamp. Had something happen to me last week that was really cool. I wanted to share with you. One of the previous owners of the Scamp here was cleaning out his garage, and he came across the box. And check this out. This is the original 1971 Plymouth Scamp Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to change this pan gasket on 727 torque flight tranny. It's been leaking a little. I tried to tighten the bolts up a couple weeks ago and it started leaking worse. So we're going to go ahead and pop them off. See if I can.
One of the big obstacles on installing this 4.3 in the back of the Corvair and trying to retain the original Power Glide setup was finding an adapter bell housing. We were lucky enough to find this one from Clark's Corvair. Great engineering, but it's intended for a stick shift and also doesn't have.
What's happening? Another day at Chucky's Garage. I know this short little video is not gambler related. I'm getting there, I promise. But, you know, I've neglected my honey to-do list for like, I don't know, a month now. And I promised my wife when I got back I'd take care of all this crap. That's what I'm doing. So I'm hauling the old parts Buick off. That thing. Good morning, YouTube. As you can hear, running like a sewing machine. Runs fantastic. Beautifully. I'm gonna shut it off so y'all can hear me talk. Oh. So